Hi friends! Welcome back to Learning with London. Today we're going to learn something super important. How to tie your shoelaces. Are you ready? Let's do it! Here are my shoes. Do you see two laces? One on the left and one on the right. Let's pick them up. One lace in each hand. First, we make an X by crossing the laces. Now, take the bottom lace and pull it through the hole. Pull both ends tight, just like this. Great job! Now, let's make our bunny ears. Pinch it with your finger so it looks like a little loop. Can you make your bunny ears? Perfect! Take your two bunny ears and make another knot. Now pull tight. We did it! We tied one shoe. Great job, boys and girls! But I think we need to practice that one more time. Let's try it again. Take your two laces. Now, make an X by crossing the laces. Tie them by pulling one lace through, just like that. Good job. Now we're going to make our bunny ears. You got it! Now, let's tie our bunny ears together. Perfect! Now pull really hard. You did it again! Great job! Learning to tie your shoes can be tricky, but with a little bit of practice, you'll be a shoe tying superstar. Good job, my friends! Your shoes look great! Thank you for learning with me today. Don't forget to practice tying your shoes at home. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more learning materials. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.